Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about ground beef. You're buying it already ground, and you're going to do stuff with it. You know, whether you're going to cook it up and put it in a seal meal or Mylar bag and vacuum seal it and tossing it in the freezer, or whether you're going to just make patties out of it and freeze it and toss it in the freezer, whether you're going to cook patties and, you know, whatever you're going to do stuff on it, stuff from the store, and you're going to do it yourself to however you're going to do it, whether you're going to can it in a like a canned meatloaf, whatever it is you're going to do. The other thing is you're going to grind the meat yourself. Now, I've had several people tell me, I haven't checked this out, so please put down in the comments your opinion on this, or what you know about it. Some people say that it's better not to get the ground beef when you buy take a cow in to get it processed, or half. You know, you can go in with somebody, you each get halves. And someone told me it's better not to get it, you know, a bunch of hamburger done, get all cuts and all the other cuts, just cuts of meats and stuff, and grind it yourself, because that way you get more control over how much fat is going into your hamburger or your ground beef. So think about it, check it out. If you know someone that gets steers processed and stuff, find out from them what their preference is. If they notice that sometimes there's a higher fat content in the hamburger than what they would like, find out. All right, because you're paying for the finished product weight. So if they can throw more fat in there, some unscrupulous butchers will do that. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, skills. Learn how to process your food. All right? Why? This is why.